Hi DevOps engineers, welcome to Infosys real interview questions for 1 to 4 years. In the DevOps section, so first question is what is DevOps? We need to explain what is DevOps and where we are using this one, why we are using this one, and the basic technologies involved in this. Second question is what is development and operations? So we need to explain what is development and what is operations and why the term DevOps came as a single term. So why DevOps engineers are needed, that we need to explain for the second question. The third one is explain DevOps architecture. DevOps architecture includes the starting to end phase, build, deploy, test. All those phases we need to explain in the DevOps architecture questions section. DevOps technologies questions includes about various technologies like Docker, Git, Kubernetes. The first question is what is Git reset? The Git reset we need to explain why Git reset is needed. Second question is how to revert our changes in Git. So we need to explain how we are reverting our pushes, so which may causes issues to the build. The third question is what is git stash and git stash pop, when and why to use it. So whenever we are going to make a new commit, we will get the pull of the latest pull and then we are going to push our changes. At the time we will use this git stash and git stash pop, so they need to explain that one. And the next question is what is Docker and why we use it. So what is the use of Docker, we need to explain here. Why Docker is made, what is the purpose of Docker, like that. And then the final question is what is a container, how you work with Docker desktop. So few people were aware of Docker desktop, so that they need to explain here, and the purpose of containers and how we made our builds inside the container. Those things we need to explain here. The same DevOps technology section, we have the next question is how Kubernetes works with Docker. So how Docker is integrated with Kubernetes, you need to explain. And the next question is what is Minikube, why we are using Minikube, what is the purpose of Minikube, we need to explain here. Next question is what is Chef. So what is the use of Chef tool in continuous integration inside this Docker, we need to explain. And next question is how you integrate bug tracker tool fixes with the DevOps tools. The bug tracker tools like Jira will have their own bug system and the bug life cycle is made from that. So we need to explain how the developer fixes and how we are making the build based on each fixes, we need to explain here. The next question is explain your knowledge on Jenkins. So the basic Jenkins knowledge, we need to explain how we are creating a build, how we are deploying our project, all those things we need to explain here. And the last question is have you used Ansible? So I didn't use it. I said I didn't use it for this one. To the JD section, they are expecting minimum 1 years of experience and maximum 5 years of experience in the field of DevOps. So they need technology knowledges like Jenkins, GitLab, Chef, Docker, and Kubernetes. One or two technologies we don't have knowledge, means no problem. The major things like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, they are in a need to. They need people from that only, and they need some strong fundamentals on CE/CD setup, and the cloud integrations are added advantage. Project question section. So they ask first. They ask about how we integrate GitLab with Jenkins or Docker, because they are using GitLab in a max scale. Instead of Bitbucket or GitHub, they are mainly using GitLab. So they are asking experience on integration with that. So how each push will make a change in the Jenkins or Docker run. That is the main thing they are expecting. We need to explain that. And the next question is how each code push will binds with the Docker. So this is generally they are asking whatever the version controlling system, how it will integrate with Docker. So that we need to explain here. And the last question is how you resolve the issue happened in the last build which causes application break. So usually what we'll do now, we will revert the last done changes and ask the developer to do the new changes and make them to push the code newly. So that is what I say. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe DevOps Wonder, DevOps for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.